Hi. Today I'm going to be making iced coffee. Why? I don't know. I'm going to show you how I make my iced coffee because it's pretty darn good. So, it's like 5 o'clock. It is 4:50. Almost 5 o'clock. Who cares? Should I be having coffee? Probably not. Do I want coffee? Yes. Am I gonna regret it tonight? Maybe. But you gotta live on the edge. So, since I already had a cup, this is dirty. Let me wash it. So, I am using a reusable cup from Starbucks because we're gonna be, you know, we're good in not wasting plastic. I have a metal straw. One, I only have this metal straw because I lost the straw that came with that cup. But this is the next best thing, and we're saving the turtles. I'm gonna be recreating basically like the caramel macchiato from Starbucks because that's what I do, and that's what I like to make and recreate. So you're gonna take your cup. You're gonna get caramel drizzle. I have this don't know how to read it, but this. It's great. It even says it's perfect for coffee drinks, so that's amazing. So what you're gonna do, basically the thing they do at Starbucks, you're just gonna go all around. Oh yeah. And a little bit extra because be spontaneous. Oh, and put a little bit on the bottom of the cup. Because why not? Grab your ice. This is a nice coffee. That one like didn't even freeze. One. I don't know, I feel it's like 4. So now you're gonna get your milk. I need to move you. Perks of having a small kitchen. So you're going to want to take your almond milk, the vanilla preferred because we're going for vanilla caramel macchiato. And now this is a must. This, the Coffee Mate Creamer. Again, get a vanilla caramel. It makes everything just taste 100 times better. So you're gonna take your almond milk. Shake it. Pour it. To about like there, halfway, somewhat halfway, maybe not. Take the creamer. Shake it. Fill it like to that line. Now you're gonna make your coffee and put it in here. I think the Starbucks ones actually use espresso, but since I don't have an espresso machine, we're not gonna deal with that. So now that we wait and we get to hear the amazing coffee brewing, we just get to have a dance party. So or maybe clean up, that would help too. I should put music on so I'm not like dancing like in the kitchen like an idiot by myself, because I mean that's something I would do anyway, so. Do you hear that? Yes! Coffee! Too excited. This is my jam. Coffee's done. So like the caramel is like all melted and the coffee and the milk, it's just memorizing. Where's my lid? Where'd my lid go? Okay, the kitchen's not that big. Hello? Ah, found it. Well, shake it. Okay, it's not as cool as I thought it was gonna be. Okay, that's better. Wait. That's perfect. Why did I say I sounded way too hyper when I did that? Maybe I should clean up because I got coffee everywhere. Oh, wait. You can't forget the best thing. So I found these foam toppings at Home Goods. It's basically just like foam and you put it on. It's like when they like warm up the milk and like make it foamy or whatever. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Okay, so that's how you make the world's best iced coffee. At home, for a lot cheaper. So this is like the best thing ever. It's so good. Okay, so I really hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do try this out, I hope you enjoy it. Don't go on a caffeine kick because that wouldn't be good. But if you try it, make sure you have a reusable cup and a reusable straw because save the universe. Because you're going to be here for a while and you want it to be good. So you might as well just protect it. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe if you like this video, if you want to see more videos of me. If you didn't like it, that's okay. I really don't care. But if you want to see more videos of me, subscribe because that would be cool. And then we can share coffees together and we can be buddies and that would be pretty awesome. And now this video is getting a little quirky and a little annoying, so I think I'm gonna go. So I really hope you guys enjoy these videos. See you guys next time. I feel like James Charles, but I'll see you guys later. Bye!